Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for joining in today. Today, I'm talking about one of our companies that we keep in mind, that we keep our eyes on in the EV industry. Uh, Rivian company. Rivian is an EV company that focused on mostly trucks and van. And recently, they have been doing really, quite better than they were. And I think it's time for us to start keeping our eyes on it, to start seeing what they are doing and how they are improving in their productivity, and also as they increase in profit. You know, the even though right now they are not yet profitable. There's no EV company right now that is kind of profitable except Tesla. So Tesla is the only one that is profitable right now. So all other companies, they still trying to play catch up with them, and almost all of them are still at a loss. They are losing money. They lose money, based on they have to build new factory, they have to buy equipment, they have to market themselves, so they're still losing money. So Rivian is still losing money, but from quarter to quarter, they are getting better. Just like every one of those companies, actually, from quarter to quarter, they are getting better. And this is why I think we should kind of get into it, and hoping like in the next 5 years, in the next 4 years, or whatever, how long it might take, we know one day they're going to be profitable. Especially if you do our research and look at what they are doing, and kind of follow them to see how their numbers, their cash flows, their expenses, and how profitable they are becoming. But I want us to pay attention to this. So let us have it in mind. Rivian, they have a big contract with Amazon. So Amazon, don't be surprised, maybe the next 5 years, the next 3 years, the next 2 years, nobody know how long, but they already started, delivering to Amazon. So Amazon van will be Rivian, and Amazon is big company. They need van. They need to cut costs on fuel, on gas. So if Rivian position themselves to be the suppliers of Amazon trucks, I think they are going to be good. They're going to do really well. Let me just show you this. This is what I'm talking about. This is what they are today. This is what they are doing today. This is what the stock cost. They are 23, 42 today. $23.42. That's how today. So if we cannot pay attention to it, we can realize that it kept going up, up, and up. And let me bring this up. At one point, before the COVID, right? Before the COVID, $129 per share, right? And ever since it's a drop because of the supply of parts. COVID did a lot of damage to new industry, because when the COVID hit, all the supplies shut down and movement shut, everything was down. But it was 129. But now, as of today, that's come down, and it's now 23.42. So the potentials are there, and I just want us to know that this opportunity exists, and we should keep our eyes on it, and we should try our best to start chipping it in gradually. Don't be surprised in the next 2 years, maybe they will reach profitability in the next 2 3 years. At least that is the goal. If they're losing money and they are one time $129, imagine when they start making money, how much is it going to be? Tesla was at one point, Tesla was like $2, $3. And today Tesla is 255, $56. So I just want us to look at things from that perspective, that hey, the potentials are there, and we should kind of look at it. This is the market cap. It's $22 billion company, 22.21. And this is it, Rivian at this time. So let's take a look at it and see what we can do. Actually, today, Tesla kind of went down by 0.17%. It went down. Lucid went down by 2.28%. Even Big Apple went down. But Rivian went up on the day that everything seems to be red. Okay. So that's why I think we should kind of pay attention to it. We should put it on our watch list and we should, start, looking into it. Now, let's say this. This is the van I talked earlier. I was talking earlier about Amazon, that Amazon is has put in order for it. And this is Amazon. This is a proof rally for the stocks. Rivian latest improvement rally means for the stock. So this is it. This is the Rivian truck with Amazon. So they already start the delivery of this truck. All this delivery, they already started gradually. They already started gradually. And if you look at what uh, they can offer, they can offer a lot because they are the first one in the truck and van, era of or area of EV. And if they continue to do that and they continue to produce, to increase their production, because at the moment, as much as they increase their production, they increase their profitability too. So I just think we should kind of look at it and look at this now. In this is the last quarter. This is 2023, second quarter 2023, their earnings and their report. So look at it. The EV maker increased a 2023 production target to 52,000 total vehicles, up from 50,000. So it's not a whole lot of different. So at the beginning, January, at the beginning of this year, they projected that they are going to make 50,000 vans, 50,000 cars, 50,000 trucks. But in the second quarter, they are doing better than they thought they would have done, and they increased it to 52,000 for the year. It's not a whole lot, but at least it's an improvement, and that is what I'm saying, that we should kind of focus on how they continue to improve in their production, in continue to improve, making more profit and all that. Look at their revenue. The revenue is 1.12 billion. That's the revenue for the second quarter. They produced 13,992, up 49% from the first quarter last year. See what I'm saying? So 49% up from the same quarter last year. They were up. So there's chances, they have opportunity. And here, this is what I'm talking about. Continue rollout of Amazon 100,000 delivery van. So they already start, delivering all these van, and they already have the order in already. So they are going to be profitable sooner than we think, sooner than we expected. That is my thought. But of course, nobody have the crystal ball, and nobody know exactly what the future is going to entail. But looking at this, looking at the data, and looking at what they are doing, the chances of them successful is very, very great. Operating loss of 1.2. This is what I'm saying. They are still losing money. Like every of the EV or the new industry, they are still losing money because they are still spending money on marketing themselves. They are still spending money on building factories. They are still spending money on the management and all that. So for them to start making profit, it's going to take them increasing their production and all that. So let's look at Rivian. I just think I should bring it up for us to have it on our radar, that Rivian is a truck, is an EV truck company that focuses on truck, and they have order already from Amazon, which in other words is going to help them to help their cash flow, and in return they are going to make money. 23, watch this out. 23.42. This is September 7th, 2023. This is $23.42. I believe one day we are going to look at it and say, hey, wow, this is so cheap. I wish I have bought this order at this time. So Keep it on your mind and start looking at it, start following it up to see what you can do. So that's about it for today. I've just bring this company for us to our attention for us to see. If this is your first time on this channel, I would like you to subscribe to the channel and I would like you to share this video. Let's share this information among each other. Let's help each other. Let us help each other to the next level. Every one of us can take advantage of the opportunity that presents itself. This is an opportunity that is presenting itself to us. Don't let us all keep it to ourselves. Let's share it among ourselves, our friends, our family, those that we know it will help them. It will help everyone. So share it, subscribe to the channel, and as I bring you another video for another new EV industry or another a company coming up, I will see you next time in the next video. Thank you and have a wonderful day.